Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about the concept and the features of concept and some characteristics of business. Okay. First of all, we should know about the meaning of business. So let's see. Business is an economic activity. Economic activity, obviously, business is an economic activity because we do business to earn some money, and every activity which is concerning with earning the money, that is called economic activity. So that's why business is also an economic activity. And how we get money? By performing these economic activities, which involves production, purchase, sale or distribution of goods and services. Okay, so actually business includes all these activities. If we are producing goods for commercial purpose, means it is a business. If we are purchasing goods or services for commercial purpose, it is a business. If we sell our goods and distribute our goods for business purpose, this is an economic activity. So all these are the economic activities which are the part of business. You can, if you can say that if we are doing all these economic activity, means we are doing business. Okay. And another important thing is, at regular basis, these activities should not be occasional. These must be on regular basis. Okay. With the purpose of earning income, obviously income will be earned, or profit through the satisfaction of human needs. Okay, this is another part of business. Actually, it's not that we are doing business only to earn the money, but there must be, some satisfaction of human needs also there. Okay, a commercial bank, a shopkeeper, an insurance company, an advertising agency, a factory owner, etc. are examples of business firms and people. So here some examples are given. The main purpose behind every business activity is to earn living through the satisfaction of human needs. Okay. तो एक्चुअली बच्चों ऐसा नहीं है कि वी आर अर्निंग प्रॉफिट, है ना. द मेन मोटिव ऑफ बिजनेस इज टू अर्न प्रॉफिट. दैट इज ओके. द मेन प्रॉफिट ऑफ बिजनेस इज टू अर्न प्रॉफिट. if the intention of the business is not to earn the profit, that is not the business. But simultaneously जो ह्यूमन नीड्स हैं उनके सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए भी हमें देखना है. ओके, आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. सपोज if you are selling some goods, है ना, to the purchaser, the customer who is purchasing that goods, why he is purchasing that? He is purchasing that goods to satisfy his needs. Okay, if you are selling goods to that customer and that good doesn't satisfy his needs, so the customer will not definitely buy your goods. So there must be an element of satisfaction of human needs. However, only profit is not the main aim of the business. It may have other purposes such as promotion of the employees, maintaining goodwill of the firm, and also the welfare of the society. ठीक है. Actually these are the objectives of business. We will discuss it later के personal objectives क्या है, social objectives and the individual objectives. Okay, now some characteristics are given here. First characteristic is, it is an economic activity. Obviously it is an economic activity because we are doing business to earn money, है ना. We have already discussed it. And every activity that is performed to earning money, that is concerning with the money, it is an economic activity. So this is the basic characteristic of business, that it is an economic activity. And next characteristic is, production or procurement of goods and services. Means there are, you can say that in every business there must be some procurement of what? Procurement of goods and services. There must be some goods must be produced. Okay, the business firm either manufactures goods or acquire them from manufacturers before they are offered to the people for consumption. A business firm is said to be manufacturing firm when it produces its goods and services itself. Whereas if it is buying goods from producers for the purpose of sale, then it is called a trading firm. Okay, actually बच्चों, if any business organization, if it is indulge in producing goods, it is called a manufacturing आप जानते होंगे, means some new goods is being produced. Okay, and suppose a shopkeeper, he is purchasing goods from manufacturer and selling to the customer. That shopkeeper is called a trader, है ना? What is trading? Trading is selling and purchasing of goods and services. Suppose I give you an example. You go to a shop. Suppose you purchased a bathing soap. Okay. So the seller, that shopkeeper, he is not manufacturing that bathing soap. He is just selling. He has purchased from somewhere and he is selling it to you. Means that shopkeeper is called a trader. He is just selling the goods. He is purchasing the goods and he is just selling the goods. So what is trading? Trading is selling and purchasing of goods and services. That's it. And if any businessman, he is producing goods, he is manufacturing goods, so he is called manufacturer. Okay. The goods may be consumable or capital. Consumable goods are meant for direct consumption by the final consumers, like milk, sugar, notebook, clothes, shoes. Means if suppose being a customer, you are going to a shop and you are purchasing a packet of biscuit, okay, and you have just eaten it, so means you have directly consumed it. So these are the consumable goods, है ना? Or you can say non-durable goods. Okay. And capital goods क्या हैं? Capital goods are those goods which are used for the production of consumer goods such as machinery, plant, materials, etc. आप देखिए, I have given an example that you have purchased a packet of biscuit. ये बिस्किट भी तो कैसे बना होगा ना? Some machinery, some technical things are involved in manufacturing that biscuit. पेपर का प्रिंटिंग हो रहा है, रैपिंग हो रहा है, and all these things. So these are done through some machines, and the producer of that machines is called, means the person who is producing these type of machines. So he is investing in that type of machine. This investment is called capital investment, and this type of products are capital products. Next is sale or exchange of goods and services. So there must be, sale or exchange of goods and services between the seller and the buyer is one of the important characteristic of business. Business involves sale or exchange of goods and services for some consideration. If seller is selling his goods, so he will get something in return. He will get the money. And if you are giving the money to the seller, you will get something in return, the product. Okay. So there is, a sale or exchange of goods and services. Next is dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. ठीक है? You can say, suppose if you have an old scooter and you are not using it, you just sold it to someone else, and you got the money for this. So you can say that you are doing a business. No. Why? You are doing it occasionally. This is a one time affair. You are selling your scooter for one time only. है ना? This is not the business. For a business, the activities must be on a regular basis. Suppose if a person is doing the business of selling old scooters, he purchase the scooters and old scooters and sell it to the customer. So this is the business. Okay, he is doing it on a regular basis, is getting money for this, is getting some profit for this. So this is a business. So another characteristic of business is it must be on a regular basis. Okay. Next is profit earning. We have already discussed this point. Okay, there must be an intention of earning the profit. If you are doing the business without intention of earning profit, it is just a simple charity. Okay. Okay. Next is uncertainty of return. In business, you cannot say that I am investing in the business and I will get the profit. Definitely I will get the profit. You cannot say this because risk element is always there in the business. You can earn the loss also. Okay. Next is element of risk. Risk is always there. Risk is always there. You cannot say that if we are doing a business and this business will always run in profit. No, risk is always there. You can also get the loss. You can also get the profit. Okay. So bachcho, you should learn these points and do it in your copy. Okay. If you have any problem, then ask me. Thank you.